Today, we're going to take you on a stunning home tour. Wait, I got to take this. It's home calling. It's for you.
Today, Mike and I are going to walk you through this amazing historical home.
That's right. With over 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 dining rooms, 2 living rooms, and incredible architecture throughout.
And it's located just a little over an hour away from Dallas, Texas.
Whitewright offers that small-town community charm with around 1,800 residents.
And it features local shops, popular dining options, and family-friendly events such as festivals, Christmas celebrations, and rodeos.
Whitewright was founded in the late 19th century and has a rich history featuring several historical buildings. This is in the northeastern region of Texas, approximately 20 miles northeast of McKinney and about 15 miles east of Van Alstyne. It sits at FM 697, making it accessible from surrounding areas in Grayson County. The median household income is around $50,000, and while it may not be among the fastest growing cities in North Texas, the community has seen steady development, and since 2015, the town has experienced some growth in housing with a mix of older homes like we're seeing today and newer construction homes. And lastly, the median home value in Whitewright is roughly $180,000. This is one of the latest remodels by the ROI guys, Daniel Huffman and Alec Hilliard. If you've ever wondered what some of the behind-the-scenes real estate investing looks like, be sure to give them a follow and stay tuned for all of their latest projects.
Now let's go take a closer look at this beautifully remodeled home right here on Spruce Street.
All right, age before beauty, you know what I mean? So, as we enter this incredible living area, you're going to immediately notice built-in shelves, plenty of natural light, and the perfect space to mount a flat-screen TV above the fireplace.
And for all my Ashley and Jennifers out there, this is the perfect space to watch your Hallmark movies with your pumpkin spice latte. And then, moving into the formal dining area, can we take a second to admire this gorgeous chandelier? Imagine this. You have family and friends over for the holidays, and this room is brimming with laughter and joy.
And if brimming with laughter and joy isn't really your thing, and instead you'd like to just kind of talk a little noise about your annoying cousin, come inside the kitchen and you will immediately notice the sage green cabinetry, and it is the perfect space to chat with guests while you're cooking your holiday meals.
And we really want to hear your thoughts on this next space. This would be perfect for an informal dining space, but you could use it for whatever you want, as it features a closet and built-in shelf and has ample space for multi-use.
And making our way to the primary suite, this master bedroom is a dream. It features plenty of natural light, enough space for a king-size bed, 1 or 2 sitting areas, built-in shelf for all your books and knickknacks on both sides of the window with extra storage below and a huge walk-in closet. And the primary bathroom features a bathtub and shower combination.
But that's not it. Let me take you to one of the best parts of the house, the sunroom. This space is perfect for a sitting area to enjoy your morning coffee, a family room, or a playroom for the kids. It has plenty of room as well as an abundance of natural light. And directly behind us, we have 2 spaces. One could be used as a secondary bedroom or a space perfect for an office, since it has direct access and plenty of natural light from the sunroom. And the other would be perfect for a second living area or a family area.
And lastly, we have our 3rd bedroom, but really this is more like a second primary suite. It features its own private bathroom as well as a huge walk-in closet, and it also has enough space for a king-size bed. All right, now to wrap up this part of the home tour, we've got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,250 square feet of pure history behind us. Can be yours for just $315,000. Now let's take a quick look at this home. Let's head downtown and see what the local things to do are. In terms of local entertainment, there's not a whole lot to do while you're within Whitewright city limits, but there are still a few places you need to check out while you're in town. If you love a thrill and want to do something adventurous, Whitewright is home to Skydive Spaceland Dallas. Your heart's pounding, the wind is blasting by your face, and you're crouched at the open door of a flying airplane, knowing you're about to have the skydiving time of your life.
There are multiple parks to visit, one being the Whitewright Historical and Nature Park, aka the Duck Pond, or the Mayor Bill Goodson Children's Park, aka the Frog Park.
Every year, Whitewright hosts the Truck and Tractor Pulls. This is a must-see at least once in your life. And if you don't know what this is, it's a competitive motorsport where modified or antique tractors and trucks pull a heavy sled along a track. The winner is the vehicle that pulls the sled the farthest. And for all our foodies out there, you have to check out the local Triple R Barbecue. This is a family-owned restaurant and has some of the best barbecue you will ever have. They even say it's a few fingers better than finger-licking good. Also located in Whitewright is the Loft Pizza and Pub. They offer hand-tossed pizzas, homemade pastas, and more, and you don't want to miss out on their top-tier cuisine.
And within a short drive, you are 33 minutes away from the historic downtown McKinney that is often considered the best downtown area in DFW. You're only about 41 minutes away from Allen, Texas, which offers arguably the premier shopping experience in all of Dallas and Fort Worth with the Villages at Allen, Waters Creek Village, and the Allen Outlet Mall.
And then Van Alstyne is considered in the far North Dallas area. It is about 66 miles from Arlington that hosts the AT&T Stadium for Dallas Cowboys games and many major concerts throughout the year, Globe Life Field for Texas Rangers games, the world champion Texas Rangers, I might add, and Six Flags in Hurricane Harbor. You're also 49 miles from downtown Dallas for many networking events, American Airlines Center that is home to the Dallas Mavericks and Dallas Stars games and many other major events throughout the year. And then you're about 53 miles from the DFW International Airport in case you need to travel. And then if you're looking for a Las Vegas type experience, you're only 40 miles away from Choctaw Casino and Resorts. And then for all of your boating, jet skiing, and fishing needs, you're only 42 minutes away from Levon Lake and 47 minutes away from Lake Ray Hubbard. The median age of the residents here is 36. Approximately 25% of the residents have some college education, and around 20% hold a bachelor's degree or higher. And that's 313 Spruce Street.
Right where small town community meets the big city lifestyle, offering beautiful landscapes and being just a short drive from the DFW Metroplex.
Now in the market with my team for just $315,000. Don't wait to see this home. Go ahead and reach out to us and let's schedule a showing today. We'll see you guys in the next video.